Welcome to WebStarClass. How to install Microsoft SQL Server and Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio on Windows. Search SQL Server Download and click on first result, SQL Server Downloads. This link is from Microsoft official website. Scroll down and you see two options, Developer and Express. Express version is for development and production, so we will download this. It's downloaded. Run the installer. It's SQL Server 2022 and this is the Express edition. Click Basic for default configuration, that is fine. Accept license terms. This is the location where it's going to be installed. And the size is quite huge, around 6 GB. So let's install it. First it will be downloaded and then it will be installed. Download successful. It's now being installed. Alright, installation has completed successfully. And here are paths for different folders. This is connection string, log folder path, media folder path, and resources folder. So SQL Server has installed. Now we have to install SSMS. To install it, click at this button, Install SSMS. It will take you to this page, Download SQL Server Management Studio, SSMS. Scroll down and click at this link, Download SQL Server Management Studio, SSMS 20.2. In my case, download the setup. Now we can close this setup. Are you sure you want to exit? Yes. After it's downloaded, run it, install it. This is the location where it will be installed. Click Install button. Setup completed. Click Close button. Now go to Start, type SQL Server and select SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, so here it is. So with the server type database engine, server name, and authentication Windows authentication. For encryption, select optional and click Trust Server Certificate. Let's go with the default login information and connect. And it's connected. Now we can click New Query button to open new query window. Let's create a database. Create database and then database name. Select the command and click Execute. Commands completed successfully. Then let's create a table. Create table, users, user ID integer, name varchar 50. Select the command, execute, and then let's insert values in this table. Insert into users, user ID, name, values, ID and names. Execute, and then let's select this table. Select static from users. Execute, and here we have it. User ID, name. So this is how you can download, install, and use Microsoft SQL Server and SSMS on Windows. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.